So let's start the problems. A column consisting of ISHB 400 at 822 Newton per meter carry an axial load of 400 kN. Design the column splices when the ends of the columns are cut by ordinary method. Second method they give the ends of the column are milled and face for bearing. Okay, so take Fy is equal to 250. So very simple problem. The given case one is ends of the column is cutted by ordinary method and second is by mill. Okay, so here we take case one. So when you observe the problem, they give only one ISB section and they given axial loads. There are no other loads they given, only they given axial loads. So now here very simple case, very easy. So load to be transferred on the column on the by the splices is total load, because here the method is first procedure. What happened? The load is transferred full because the ends of the column are cut by ordinary method. The total axial load is 400. Now load on the splices. What is the load on the splices is equal to 400 divided by 2. What happened? The load is acting on the column is 400, but on the splices is 200. So now 200. Now assume sigma AC. Sigma AC is nothing but FCD, that is given. Always you have to assume 150 Newton per mm square. Now the area of splice plate. So load is given, load by FCD, that is nothing but PT formula is equal to AE into FCD. So you calculate AE PT divided by FCD. So you can calculate directly the area. Area will get 1333.32 mm. Now width of the splice plate, the width of the flange. So ISHB 400 they given, the width B is equal to 250. So it is same. So thickness of the splice plate is divided by total area divided by width, will get 5.33. So after adopt minimum 6 mm. So this much is only the design of splices. Now calculation of bolt value you already know. You assume the diameter from 16 to, or you can assume more than that. So I'll assume 20 D0 you can find out. Now by referring page number you calculate shear capacity VDSB is equal to VNSB divided by gamma MB. So this term I already know, gamma MB, gamma M not will get from page number 30. Dia of the whole I get from page number 73. ASB already know. This is area of the one bolt, that is ASB is equal to pi d square by 4. A and B you already know, 0.78 or 0.8 into ASB. So you can calculate VDSB and similarly calculate bearing capacity, that is already calculated. So after that you will have to calculate number of bolts. So number of bolts is force load divided by bolt value. So load already you know 200 kN, bolt value also in the kilonewton. So you get 4.3 5 bolts. We can't able to provide 5 bolts, minimum even numbers you have to provide. So you can take as 6 bolts. So now you have to draw this diagram. So better, this is the front view actually. You can see bottom and top you can provide 3 bolts here. Here also provide 3. Actually one plate consists of 6 bolts. We can able to see only from the front side is 1. So when you observe this side way, you can understand here. This is web you are not able to see. This is the thickness. This is the width actually 250. Now here edge distance, which is we already calculated in the bearing and shearing, that is E nothing but 1.5 or 1.7 into D0, and pitch is 2.5 into D. So from this you can calculate the length. So see edge distance plus all, how many, this is top column, this is bottom column. So you can calculate 35, 50, 50, 50, 50 consists of, totally you will get the area. So you add this all, you get the length of the splice plate, width of the splice plate we already know, thickness of the splice plate. This is only the first problem, which is here the case 1. So similarly we have to go for case 2. What is the difference here? Case 1 case, the ends of the columns are milled and face for bearing. So load on the column is same, but load on the splice here divided by 2. There we have taken as 200, but here we have to multiply divided by again 2. That is the main difference in the step 2. If it is cut by ordinary method with 400 divided by 2, the splices will design for 200, but when it is cut by the milled, then it should be divided by 2 again. So FCD same thing, everything is same, only the thing is this much, this step is changed. So remaining thing is the bolt value will get here 4 numbers. So you have to arrange this. This is the first type of problem.